Welcome to Ask an English Teacher. I'm Amy. Ask me anything. Today's question comes from Tunya. Tunya asks, what's the difference between determine and determined? Thank you for your question. This is a really perceptive question because there is an important difference between these two words. Although they look and sound similar, they have different meanings and we use them differently. Let's take a closer look. Determine is a verb and it means to conclude based on reason or observation. For example, we determined the source of the problem was misinformation. Universities use test scores to determine which students will be admitted. More information is needed to determine the correct answer. Now let's look at determined. Determined is an adjective. Determined means resolute or committed to a decision. Here are some examples. She is determined to win the race. You are determined to improve your English. The determined child solved the puzzle. They are determined to save money to buy a house. Try writing your own example sentences for determine and determined in the comment section of this video. To summarize, determine is a verb and it means to conclude. Determined is an adjective and it means committed to a decision. I hope this explanation helps you determine the difference between these two words. Please leave your English questions for me in the comment section of this video. I really love answering your questions and interacting with you in the comment section. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.